Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Welcome you to aspirants. Let's talk about Tolani Maritime Institute. So पहली बात बता दें, Tolani Maritime Institute is an initiative by Tolani Group, जिनका main role is ship owning. They have got their own ships and also ship management. In 1997, they decided to open a state-of-the-art college for maritime training, and that is how Tolani Maritime Institute was launched. And it is one of the finest colleges in terms of infrastructure. गजब कॉलेज है, खतरनाक लेवल पे. Copy it. Now let's talk about ETO, guys. So overview of the course. Fees is 3.67 lakhs. Pre-SU training of 4 months. Let's move ahead. Eligibility criteria: pass 10+2 in physics, chemistry and maths with a minimum of 60% marks, and English with a minimum of 50% marks. Pass 4-year degree with 60% marks in electrical engineering, electronics engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering only. Minimum of 6 months of industrial experience is preferred. So if you have experience, they will prefer you. But that means when you give your interview, you need to know those answers as well. Otherwise, it's clear stupidity. You say that you worked in a reefer plant and you could not answer basic reefer questions. The degree course must have been recognized by any state or central government or the AICT and conducted, or the AICT approved and conducted in English language. So these are the requirements. Next, move ahead. Age criteria: not more than 28 years from the date of commencement of training. Let's move ahead. Medical standards: no color blindness, 6/6 in both eyes is the best thing, otherwise 6/12 in both eyes versus 6/9 and 6/18. Copy it, guys. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Registration process: how to apply: fill the form online and make payment of rupees 1200 online. Print the filled form and send to the institute along with supporting documents mentioned in the form. Institute will call eligible applicants for test, interview and medical test. Copied. Opportunities anyways, guys. So first is your online test. You clear, you go for psychometric test. You clear, you go for your interview. You clear your interview, then you go for a medical test. And Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Talking about opportunities, yaar, simple is you get your CDC, INDOS number, course, everything. Campus placement interviews will be held with the global shipping companies. One of the most common global shipping companies that I have heard of is Eastern Pacific Shipping Company, which comes and takes a lot of electrical officers from Tolani Maritime. आगे बढ़ते हैं. College portal, this is the primary domain where you'll find everything on the college portal. College portal पे click कीजिए on Merchant Navy Decoded website. Go on the ATO section, click over here. Once you click over here, you'll find over here and highly recommended and other colleges में you'll find Tolani over here. Click on the Tolani side. Then you'll find overview, eligibility criteria, fees, registration process over here. Check the registration process, fill about it. You can also check the placement records. Copy it, आगे बढ़ो. Then over here, these are the reviews given by students out there, and I am requesting all other who are E2 aspirants out there to give their reviews so that other people can join and they can come to know how is the status. But this, all I can say is I hope you like the video. Please subscribe Merchant Navy Decoded YouTube channel and follow me on Chief Engineer Pranit at Instagram. Got any query, WhatsApp at this number or email at teammerchantnavydecoded@gmail.com. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.